the next example that I have here is I want to create 5 teams. From the names that I have over here, I want to create 5 teams. So if I go to the, I'm gonna stay on cell A4, Control Shift down, so I can select the whole range and I can see that I have a total of 152 items. Perfect. So I'm gonna go here under the first line, which has the column names. I'm gonna say equal, grab rows. The vector, again, is gonna be from the first name, from Steven until the end, Control Shift arrow down, Control backspace to go back to the active cell. I'm gonna provide the comma. Now, what is the grab count? I need 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes. And I'm gonna close parentheses, enter. I have 5 teams of people. Excellent. And look, I have my NAs. Oh, that is because I didn't provide that optional parameter. So after the 5, I'm gonna provide the comma. And I'm gonna give the blank, enter. And now you can see that those NAs are gone and I have my teams, which is fantastic. Excellent. Now, this is grab rows. The difference with grab calls is that now I'm gonna specify the maximum rows that I can have in every single team. And let's say this is gonna be team A. I don't know how many teams I'm gonna have because I'm just gonna limit the teams up to 20 people. With the other example, here, let me expand that. With the other example, I didn't limit the number of rows that are gonna go in every single column, right? So what I need to do there is, here, that's why I specify that I needed 5 columns. With grab calls is, I'm going to specify how many rows, and then I'm going to let the function to expand as many columns as needed. So from there, let me just hide this, and I'm just going to leave the grab calls. I'm going to say under team A, I'm going to say equal grab calls. The vector is same thing, the same range, comma, and the grab count, 20 rows, right? And I'm gonna provide the path width, which will be the empty or the blank, the 2 quotation marks. So press enter, and now I have all these teams or all these columns. So from there, I'm not lazy, I'm efficient. So I'm gonna go and copy these teams here, Control V, and hide this. And let me see if it allows me, if it continues. No, it didn't allow me. So the only thing I will need to do this manually. You could try to use sequence and name the team, number the teams instead of giving a letter here. But I have letters. I just finished in this way. But you could have team 1, 2, 3, and then concatenate team with sequence, and then you can do that just in all the column names. Excellent. That's all that I have for you today. I wanted to show you these 2 fantastic functions, which are great. Hope you found this information useful. If you like it, please give the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also share it with anybody that you believe can benefit from it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.